So, our today's topic is nature of a contract, types of contracts. Offer and acceptance is a very important topic of contract law. Let's look onto the types of the contracts. It's unilateral and bilateral. Unilateral, it means one-sided contract. Only one party assumes an obligation under the contract. It is an offer to a group of people or to the general public. Advertisement for unilateral contracts are regarded as offers. We will look on to Carlisle's case. Then there are further two types of unilateral contracts. It's either as a result of a reward, though advertisements when an advertiser promises to pay members of the general public, it takes a course of action. So people have to act upon that offer, and once they start performance, this means they have accepted the offer. So, in what happened in Carlisle's case? In Carlisle's case, it was the company said whoever caught influenza due to cold by using our smoke balls, which were to prevent the cold and the influenza. So, the woman caught the influenza by using their smoke balls. The company denied to pay. They said, "We are not here to make an offer to the general public. So we will not pay." But what was held it was by the court that you have to pay because you made an offer to the general public through your newspaper advertisement. Let's move to the invitation to treat. So you need to know the difference between an offer and invitation to treat. Invitation to treat is an expression of willingness to enter into negotiations which may lead to a contract at a later date. Let's look on to Fisher versus Bell's case. In this case, a shopkeeper displayed a flick knife with a price tag in the window of the shop. Under the Restriction of Offensive Weapons Act 1959, it was that it was restricted to sell and display such goods, right? So it was held that according to the ordinary law of contract, display of an article in the shop is an invitation to treat, not an offer. So if the customer who is going to say, "Yes, I want to buy this," he is going to make an offer. Whoever is going to say, any customer, that "Yes, I want to buy this," he is going to make an offer rather than the shopkeeper. So I hope it's clear. Let's move to bilateral contracts. A bilateral contract requires both parties to perform an action. It is a reciprocal arrangement between two parties. Both parties promise to perform an act in exchange for the other party's act. It is often a promise from one party to sell and the under promise from the other party to buy. For example, if I offer you to buy my property at a certain price and you accept the offer, so you are willing to pay me for the property and I'm willing to sell the property on that certain price. So that's a bilateral of contract. Both parties, I will be selling my property and you are paying for it. So both are going to perform an action in it. Alright? So that's how bilateral contracts are. I know it's not a very detailed lecture, but I will request you all to like, share, and subscribe my channel. And yes, soon I'll be coming with more detailed lectures, of course. Thank you.